When you're preparing for Hajj, it's easy to get overwhelmed. You're traveling far, leaving your family, and heading towards a once-in-a-lifetime spiritual experience. But many people forget that physical preparation plays a huge role in how spiritually focused you'll be when you're actually there. What you pack can make or break your journey. So here are the 8 most essential things to take with you, and why each one matters. First, Ihram clothing. For men, pack at least 2 sets of the plain white, unstitched cloth, one to wear and one backup in case it gets dirty or uncomfortable. For sisters, while there's no specific Ihram dress, most choose modest black abayas because they're practical, common, and help you blend in easily. Avoid clothes with decorative stitching, patterns, or anything flashy. Keep it simple and focus on humility, not style. Next, comfortable and suitable footwear is a must. You'll be walking long distances in the heat, so comfort is key. Men must wear sandals that don't cover the ankles or top of the foot while in Ihram, and women can wear any comfortable shoes, but make sure they're already broken in. New shoes can cause blisters and pain, which makes the journey harder than it needs to be. Another important item is fragrance-free toiletries. Once you're in Ihram, scented products are not allowed, including soap, shampoo, deodorant, and even lip balm. Make sure everything you bring is labeled fragrance-free, which is different from unscented. A small fragrance-free moisturizer is helpful too, as the heat can dry out your skin quickly. Because Hajj is physically demanding, pack a mini first aid and medication kit with basics like paracetamol, plasters, antiseptic cream, and remedies for headaches or stomach issues. If you take prescription medication, bring enough for your entire trip and some extra, just in case. Electrolyte sachets are a great idea too, especially if you're not used to extreme heat. Staying hydrated is critical, so bring a reusable water bottle. This makes it easy to drink Zamzam water regularly, especially when you're in Mina and Arafah. A bottle that keeps water cool can really make a difference. Also, keep a dua book and pocket Quran handy. There will be many quiet, reflective moments where you're waiting or resting. Having these with you helps maintain your spiritual connection, especially when you feel tired or overwhelmed. If you prefer digital versions, download them in advance, but keep a physical copy as backup in case your phone battery runs out. A lightweight prayer mat and unscented wipes are useful too. A small foldable prayer mat is great for Salah outdoors or in busy areas like Muzdalifah. Unscented wet wipes help you stay fresh when facilities are limited. Just be sure they're truly unscented by checking the packaging carefully. Finally, a money pouch or waist bag is essential to keep your passport, ID, hotel key, and cash safe and close. A zipped money belt or waist bag works best, especially in crowded areas. Don't carry everything at once. Just bring what you need for the day. These basics might seem simple, but they'll make a huge difference in your comfort and focus during Hajj. Pack light, pack smart, and remember, Hajj is not about luxury. It's about sacrifice, simplicity, and submission. Prepare sincerely, and let your heart lead the journey. May Allah accept your Hajj and make it easy for you and your loved ones. Ameen.